Hello fellow traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Wilson, Mr. Simple Analysis. I hope everybody last week had a great week, even though the market was chopping NFP week, but I hope you had a great week. So today we're going to be analyzing Gbpchf, which is GBP Swiss franc, and Euraud. That's the pairs that we are going to take a look at. This is my Gbpchf. Let me just delete this analysis, and then I can analyze it together. As another rule, we start from the weekly time frame. And if you have seen what what gold and USD are doing. Sorry, if you have seen what your USD and gold, what they are doing, I hope you can be profitable on that, because they have an opposite correlation. USD is buying, that means gold will be selling, and then if USD is selling, that means gold will be doing what? Will be buying. And if you check my first video, then you will understand what I'm telling you about correlation pairs. Right now I'm marking backgrounds and all the different things. I'm using this rectangular array in order to cater for wicks and order blocks. So this is my wick. Mark out my playgrounds where the market can reverse and all these different things. So let's go on to the daily. I'm just adjusting that tonight. There is not much to say on the daily time frame. Let's just go on the H4. Let's type multiple. So if you can see, GBP CHF has been on a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Been making higher highs, lower highs, and lower lows on GBP USD and Gbpchf. And then now, what are we seeing at this current moment right here? Because this is a downtrending market. It is better and simple to trade with the trend, guys. This is my supporting trend line, and this is my resistance trend line. So this is what I'm seeing on GBP CHF. Just marking up the zones, because Gbpchf has been on a downtrend, and then now it has made, this is our lowest low right here, and then we had a new higher high, and then a low, and then a low high, and then our highest high and our lower, and then our lower high. Then what am I expecting on GBP CHF is that, and you can see this is a rising wedge, and you know a rising wedge results on a sell. This is a rising wedge. So here is our current lower high. Then I'm expecting it to do what? To come and then continue to sell, because this is our what, this is a wedge, and a wedge, you know, a wedge results on a sell. It is one of the reversal patterns, a wedge. And as you can see, the market, it is approaching our resistance right there, or that zone right there. The momentum has shifted. It no longer have that much buying momentum. So you can enter as soon as you get to that point, and then stop loss right about there, and then sell to that point right there. One more thing, you have to be having different take profits. This is take profit number 1, and then you can have take profit number 3. This is the last take profit on Euro, on Gbpchf. Okay, and then what can make this trade to be invalid is that if the market decided, but mostly I'm seeing that if the market pushes above this level right here, and then give us something like this, then it can continue to do what to buy. But overall, I'm seeing sells, because this is a wedge, this is a rising wedge, and the rising wedge results in the sell. And one more thing, uh, this market has been in it is a bearish market. So let's go to Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's start on the weekly time frame on Euro AUD. I'm just marking my playgrounds. Now, one thing about the market, the market become easier when you focus on one strategy. If you switch from one strategy to another, you will never understand the market. You will be always on the losing side. If you stick on one strategy, you will understand how the strategy works. Even though you lose, you know that you're not just losing on a bad strategy, but it's a good strategy. Its winning rate is 5 to 1 or 5 to 2, because every strategy do sometimes lose. You cannot win all the time, guys. Even the best strategies do lose sometimes. That's why you just gotta use proper risk management. You can go all out on each and every trade you see. Okay, this is my weekly time frame on Euro AUD. I'm seeing double bottom. This is a double bottom, a W, and you know a W, we have to complete the W right there at that point right there. This is what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame on Euro. This is the first, second, and third touch. And so this is a zone where the market can reverse and where the market can do whatever. Let's go to on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, what are we seeing? If you just take a look at this pattern right there, just focusing on this pattern right here, on this current market structure right here, you can just see that this is a bullish flag. No, this is a bullish flag, and the bullish flag, we have to be buying. There is no other choice. This is a bullish flag. Then let's go to H4. Yeah, and then but the market is over trickling right there, right here at this point. But H4, what are we seeing? You are still seeing the double bottom. And if you could take a look right here at that point right there, this is our lowest low. This is our lowest low, and it is equal to the what to the previous lowest low. Then after having that low, then here we have a what? A new higher high. We have the market formed a new what? New higher high, and then at this point right here, it formed a lower high, or a higher low. Sorry, yeah, a higher low. And then let's just clone this one. Mm, this is our high. This is our high now at this current level, and then we have a what? We're expecting a what? After a higher high, we're expecting a higher low. After the highest high, we're expecting a what? A higher low. So we're expecting a higher low right at this point right there. And then what we are going to do is that when the market reaches this place, this current our current support, that means we're going to be looking for buying opportunity further to that what, to that point right there. So we just gotta wait for candlestick confirmations, and then we can enter candlestick confirmation like inside bar, bullish, morning star, evening star, all these different type of candlestick, yes, uh what can make this trade to be invalid, is that if the market, if it decide, if let me just leave that over there. If we break below, if we break below, if we just break below, yeah, if we break below this level right there, if we break below, let me just delete that so that you can understand properly. If we break below this level right there, and we hit a what, a Rochester, that means we're going to be selling, and then that will be our first take profit, and then I advise you to have different take profits. Take profit, then that means we are going to be doing it, expecting some sell from right there at that point to the point to this level right here, and then TP1. I'm just gonna be applying some TPs, but anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and watch my previous videos if you want to understand some pairs, how some pairs are doing. So nonetheless, guys, thank you. This is Mr. Simple Analysis. I will see you on my next video.